Is your Logitech mouse scroll wheel acting up? Skipping, jumping, or not working at all? Don't worry, the fix might be easier than you think. Let's get it working again. First, identify the exact model of your Logitech mouse. Knowing the model can be useful for finding specific repair guides if needed. Now, look for the screws holding the mouse together. They are usually under the battery cover, stickers, or the mouse feet themselves. Use a plastic spudger or similar tool to gently peel off the mouse feet. Apply a bit of heat with a hairdryer if they're stuck tightly. Unscrew all the screws you can find. Keep them organized so you don't lose them. A small container or magnetic mat helps. Carefully separate the top and bottom halves of the mouse. Watch out for any ribbon cables connecting the two halves. Locate the scroll wheel mechanism. The key part is a small encoder, often a black or colored box, attached to the wheel. Often, dust and debris are the cause. Use compressed air to thoroughly clean the encoder and surrounding area. Spray from different angles. If compressed air isn't enough, use a small brush like an old toothbrush to gently scrub away any stubborn dirt. Carefully reassemble the mouse, making sure any ribbon cables are properly reconnected. Screw everything back together, and reattach the mouse feet. Test your scroll wheel. Hopefully, it's working smoothly now. If not, you might need to repeat the cleaning or consider replacing the encoder. Enjoy your fixed mouse.